Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hey friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about that is how we can prepare amines from alkyl halide by the process ammonolysis. And now what we are going to do is we are going to talk about the preparation of amines from phthalimide. So now let us understand this process. So friends, in this topic we are going to talk about the preparation of amines from phthalimide, and this kind of process that we are going to talk about is known as Gabriel-Phthalimide synthesis. So now let me talk about the reaction about Gabriel-Phthalimide synthesis. So for that, the starting material that we are using is a phthalimide, and for that we have a structure of phthalimide is nothing else. It consists of a benzene that should attach with C double bond O, that is 2C double bond O, along with that of this 2C double bond or this 2 carbonyl group, they are attached to, that is nitrogen, and over here there is H. So therefore this is the starting material, and that is known as phthalimide. So this phthalimide, it will react with alcoholic KOH. So in this process basically this H and this OH of, that is potassium hydroxide, it would be removed in the form of water, that is H2, and the remaining product that is left out is nothing but it will be having a structure which is benzene, which is attached to 2 carbonyl groups, and now here it is N, while here it is, we write it over here as K. And this potassium salt will have, obviously this is basically salt, and this is known as potassium salt of phthalimide. So now this reaction is not been completely done over here because this is not the product that we need. So now this potassium salt of phthalimide, it will react with an alkyl halide, and let us understand that what is the reaction, and let us see that how we can obtain the amine. So now this is nothing but potassium salt of phthalimide, and now this will react with, I write it over here as alkyl halide, that is nothing but RX. So in this case basically this potassium and this halogen atom, they would be removed in the form of KX, and that is the reason that this is a substitution reaction that takes place over here, and the product that we could get is nothing but a benzene that would be here, and here it is C double bond O, C double bond O, while here it will be N that would be attached to R. And this is the product that we have got over here, and now this is a very multiple step process, and this the step that is the second step that I'm going to talk about. And the product that we have got over here is basically known as N-alkyl phthalimide. And for that we need basically an amine which consists of an alkyl group along with that of a nitrogen, so that is nothing but NH2. So for that what we are doing is we are making the reaction to proceed in such a manner that we are refluxing, that is this product, that is what we have obtained in the second reaction, and that is nothing but N-alkyl phthalimide. So now this N-alkyl phthalimide, it will be refluxed in presence of, that is NaOH, and because of which we could obtain the main product, and the main product is nothing but, that is RNH2, that is nothing but a primary amine, along with that of a byproduct that could be nothing but a benzene that consists of, that is C double bond O, ONA, and here also that is C double bond O, ONA, which is basically known as disodium salt of phthalic acid. So this is the product that we have got, and that is nothing but a primary amine. So this is how basically we can convert a phthalimide into a primary amine. But the thing is, here basically the secondary as well as the tertiary amine, they cannot be obtained, and that's the reason that here only a primary amine can be obtained. So talking about aryl amines, even the aryl amines are not being obtained by using the Gabriel-Phthalimide synthesis. So the reason behind that is obviously when we are talking about that is aromatic amine, or we are talking about aryl amines, then in that case basically due to the reaction of, that is the aryl halides are less reactive to the potassium salt of phthalimide, and that's the reason that aryl halides, or they are not reactive, and that's the reason that aryl amines cannot be obtained from this process. So that was it. This was a reaction related to the process of converting a phthalimide into a primary amine. So that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.